Hi world, welcome back to my channel, Themakeupphase, and for those who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. So today we are doing a transitional 5-minute look. I did a series early last year, to do some quick little eye looks just to kind of like spunk it up, and that doesn't require a lot because some of us don't have time to be, spending hours and hours on end creating all these magical looks. So I wanted to create kind of a transitional, from day to night, just to kind of like maybe spice up the look just a little bit more. You come home from work, well, what used to be come home from work, and you just needed like a little bit more enhancement to your your first eye look. So this is definitely something to kind of turn up the heat, really get it going. It's definitely a lot more of that sparkle, a little bit more of that contour, and yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong with this lip at all. So we will be using the exact same palette, which is the Picante. This is by Karity Beauty, not Clarity, Karity Beauty, excuse me. And yeah, so again, it's only taking just a little nicks. So we're going to be transitioning this look and then turning it into this one. So you're gonna see a little bit more intensity in the eyes. Obviously not much else changes in the face, but again, depending on your circumstance, you can always just cut it really deep with the contouring, add a little bit more of a highlight. It's really up to you, but at least, I'm dropping all kinds of things. But it's definitely something that is easy enough that you can turn around super quick. So yeah, want to see how it happens? Stick around. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and sharing is caring. So let's get started. Okay, yeah, this is it. It didn't take very long. Like I said, it was just something to kind of spice it up. Again, we literally used the exact same palette. The only thing that I may have added was like maybe a new mascara, maybe just I added a little bit of that lip liner just to kind of bring more intensity to the lips. Other than that, it's super quick. Again, this was not supposed to be anything crazy and long and drawn out. It's just supposed to, you know, just really take your look from just like, it's cute, but now like, ooh, it's way more interesting. And you know, we always want to be way more interesting. So I hope this didn't take too much of your time. I do have a few more that I am shelling out that I did from the series last year, so stick around for more of the looks. Bye guys.